In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to rap more clearly by improving your rap pronunciation. You can use all of these vocal performance techniques to improve your rap delivery and take your lyrics from sounding like this. If you spit in the verse and it really don't seem to move, dudes, perhaps it could be because your lyrics sound like doo-doo, doo-too, having syllables with some screws loose. Lucky you, I make all of these videos on YouTube to sounding like this. If you spit a verse and it really don't move, dudes, it could be because your lyrics sound like doo-doo, doo-too, having syllables with screws loose. Lucky you, I make these videos on YouTube. Okay, to get started, let's get two things straight. Number one, every single syllable that you ever rap is a rhythmic music note, and the most common rhythmic music notes that rappers use are 8th notes, 16th notes, and 32nd notes. And if you don't know what rhythmic music notes are, be sure to check out my video I did on how to create catchy rap melodies, which breaks down the difference between rhythmic music notes and melodic music notes. And number two, all syllables are not the same length. For an example, the word no is not the same length as the word strength, even though they're both only one syllable words. And that's because there's two types of syllables. There's stressed syllables and unstressed syllables. And stressed syllables take up more space in the bar because they have to be held or sustained longer in order to clearly pronounce the sound that they make. And the opposite is true for unstressed syllables. You don't have to hold them as long in order to clearly pronounce the sound that they make. And if you ever struggle to determine which syllable in a word is stressed, I recommend using dictionary.com because it has all the stressed syllables in bold. For an example, the word present is a verb and it means to bring, offer, or give. This is a 2-syllable word and the second syllable is the one that's stressed, present. But if we simply change which syllable is stressed in this word, we get a totally different word. Present, which is a noun and it means a gift, or it could also be an adjective, which means existing or occurring now. Now remember what I just said about every single syllable that you rap being a rhythmic music note? Well, stressed syllables are typically 8th notes, which take up half of a beat, which is a decent amount of space in a bar. And if you don't know what beats and bars mean, make sure you check out my video called So You Wanna Rap? Start by Understanding Bars. And this leads us into our first tip for today on how to rap more clearly by improving your rap pronunciation. As rappers, we have a really bad habit of trying to cram too many syllables into our bars. So if you're finding it difficult to say all your raps clearly, it's likely because you haven't left enough free space for those longer stressed syllables to be pronounced clearly. So try to create more free space in your bars by using one or a combination of both of these following techniques. The first technique is something I just like to refer to as rewording. It's straightforward, it's very simple. Just try to say the same thing within your bar, but with fewer syllables. For example, on bar 1 of my lyrics, instead of saying, if you spit in the verse and it really don't seem to move, dudes, I can say this instead. If you spit a verse and it really don't move, dudes, which frees up 3 syllables, which is great because verse, don't move, and dudes are each 8th notes and they needed some more room. And before I forget, the instrumental that I'm using today is a beat that I produced called Bounty Hunter. So if you like it, I'll post a link to it in the video's description below. Now let's check out how I reworded bar 2. In bar 2, I removed perhaps, which gave me more room for doo-doo, which are both 8th notes. Perhaps it could be because your lyrics sound like doo-doo. It could be because your lyrics sound like doo-doo. And in bar 4, I removed some, which gave me more room for screws and loose, which are both 8th notes. Doo-too having syllables with some screws loose. Doo-too having syllables with screws loose. And the second very powerful technique to create more space in your bars is just by shaving small pieces of words off. For example, on bar 1, I don't say and, I say an. If you spit a verse and it really don't move, dudes, on bar 2, instead of saying your, I say yeah. It could be because your lyrics sound like doo-doo. And on bar 3, instead of saying with, I say with. Doo-doo having syllables with screws loose. And if you want to learn even more ways that we create space in our bars as rappers, be sure to check out my video tutorial called How to Make Your Rap Lyrics Fit Instrumentals Better. Okay, tip number 2. As a rapper, your lungs is like your gas tank. And if you're running close to empty, then the clarity of your words is going to suffer severely. So the second tip to rapping more clearly is to take breaths often. And you may be wondering how often. I recommend taking a breath at least every other bar. And these don't have to be long, deep, gasping breaths. These are typically very short, shallow breaths that it's so subtle it's hard to even hear you taking them. It's also important to notate where your breaths are located in your lyrics so you don't forget them. I like to notate mine by placing a B to symbolize breath inside of curly brackets like this. And as you can see in today's lyrics, I take a breath at the beginning of bars 2, 3, and 4. And if you ever plan to rap your lyrics in some type of live setting, like rapping live on stage in front of people, this is even more critical because in a live setting, you're gonna have an adrenaline dump, which is going to cause you to lose a lot of breath, and also moving back and forth on the stage and stuff. So you got your cardio going, your heart rate's going, so you're going to be even more gassed out than you normally would in a studio setting. And if you wish to learn even more advanced breathing techniques, make sure that you check out my video, the top 5 breathing techniques for rappers. And the third key to rapping more clearly is all about building up your confidence. If you haven't really learned your lyrics yet, then you're gonna be fumbling and slurring words like there's no tomorrow. So take some time to practice your lyrics and learn them and even memorize them if you can. And it's totally normal to be messing up while you practice. That's how you perfect anything. Every single little mistake you make, you keep incrementally improving, getting better, just little micro improvements, and that's what adds up to perfection. So you gotta put in that time to practice. I also recommend recording at least a rough draft of your lyrics, either during your writing session or after it on either like your phone or your computer or whatever you have available. And that way, when you come back to it later, you won't forget all the little intricate timing details of like your rap flows, cadences, and where your breaths are supposed to be and stuff like that. And that's gonna make it so much easier for you to learn your verse. And building up your confidence from learning your rap lyrics isn't only gonna make you rap more clearly, but it's also gonna improve your rap delivery as well, because confidence is not something that's only heard, it's also something that's felt. And I'm curious to know, if you've struggled to rap more clearly, which one of today's tips do you think are going to help you out the most? Or if you don't struggle with rap pronunciation, do you have any tips that I didn't cover today that you would like to share with the community? If so, please drop your 2 cents below. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. If you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, and I'll post a link to that in the video description below. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace.
Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.